Hello guys, just came back home and I will show you what I got. First of all, I'm so starving right now. We're gonna make some food. It is somtam and chicken. First is sticky rice and of course papaya. We're gonna make somtam is like papaya salad. Chili, lime, and the fruit. Watermelon and mangoes. More fruit. Okay, let's make some stuff. Now I put the chicken in the fridge already, so we're gonna make some papaya salad. I got drink as well. I don't know what it's called. It's like mixture something. The Chinese one. Here we go. Let's eat. We have rice and the chicken we made, and somtam and drinks. This Schweppes, I got this from 7-Eleven. It was so good. It's blueberry lemon soda. Let's try somtam first. So good. The taste is perfectly that what I want. Ui, tomato. Sour, a little bit sweet, a little bit salty. So good. Okay, let's try chicken. Seasoning was so good. Oh my god. So good. Good, right? Hot. I like this drink a lot, sparkling. I just went downstairs and get this feature in the Hong Kong trips. So charming. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the fridge. Look at my fridge right now. There's a lot of the artists who like Taylor Swift, Eminem, Lana, and also Taylor Swift. I got this gift from my friend that she went to the concert in Singapore. Okay, maybe put in around here or let's see. I'm not sure between cut off these off or just leave like this. What do you think? So cute. Review the book I got is a favorite writer, it's Colin Hoover. I think this book will become to make a movie in August, I guess. But I want to read book first before I go to watch the movie. Yeah, I'm so excited to read about this. I like the design, it's so good. So girly, feminine. I like it. 100 baht. Ooh, this one. It's like thick like my face. It's thicker than my face. Is it? Look at the package. Okay guys, let's see what I got from the duck market today. Is the gift for Tommy family. The first one is snack. I don't know, I think they will like it, you know. It's jackfruit chips. It was so good. From the duck market. And also this one is the same shop. It's grilled corn crispy coconut. Looks so good, right? I think it's good combination between coconut and the corn, grilled corn. It's called Tom Muon in Thai. Yeah. It's like roll like this, it's crispy one. It's so good though. I never tried, but I think it's very good, you know. The last one from the same shop is a Thai tea. Of course, should have this one, you know, so that they can make Thai tea at home. Okay, this is the first shop. 3 of this. The second one is the shirt for Tommy brother. He chose by himself because he said his brother liked this brand, Imperial, something. It's a black shirt. So good. Okay. This is not the gift from the family, but it's his pen. There's something inside. I don't know what it is. But what is it? Oh, weird. I don't know. Yeah. It's 250, very cheap. This one is for his nephew, Jordan. So cheap. This one is like 120. So cheap. What else? So, wow, this is so cute. This is a hair clip for his nieces. He have 2 nieces. So 3 pieces is 100 baht. Yeah, 100 baht, 3 pieces. This one is so cute. Oh, they will love it, you know. Look at the detail. This one. I really like this hair clip a lot. You know, recently they're really popular in Thailand. So cute. Okay, this is for his mom. It's a dream catcher. He said his mom liked dream catcher a lot and have a lot when he was young. So I think it's a good idea to buy this. So we decided to choose this one. Look. Wow. What it is? Ooh. It's so beautiful. Look at the color. Hey. Yeah, this is, I don't know how to keep it. Wait, it should be like this, right? Yeah. The next one is a little bag. This is so cheap. Guess how much? Only 10 baht. Look. His mom will like this a lot, and his family. This is for, you can put the wallet or card. This is 10 baht as well. got 4 pieces. Next one is this one. I picked by myself because I feel like she'll love it. It's scarf. Look. Yeah, I don't wanna take this out, but I don't know how to make flood it. Okay, so it's just this one. And look at the detail. It's a shark elephant. I think the color is so good. I think she will like it. Okay, I think it's the last but not least. His ashtray. Look at the detail. This one is only 80 baht here. Look at the detail. It's a shark inside, and it's made from the wood. This is all we got, guys. Okay, this is the video today. I have planned to buy yadom and milk candy in 7-Eleven, so this is the stuff that we bought for today. Okay, see you next video. I hope you like it, and I hope they like our gift as well. So bye.